Hello everyone, welcome to MEP Booster. So in this lecture, we'll discuss how to use the Carrier Psychrometric Software. Okay, so let's start. So here I have opened the Carrier Psychrometric chart, or you can say software. So first of all, when you open the software, here you need to select the sea level. Now the question is why we are using this software. So remember, to find out the properties of air, for example, if you know any two properties of air, okay, outside or inside the room, okay, so you can easily find out the remaining properties with the help of this software. How? See, suppose for example, when you open the ASHRAE, from the ASHRAE handbook, when you see the outside design data is given, okay, so here if you see, based on the state and station, latitude, altitude, daily range, in summer dB, dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, relative humidity, in monsoon, in winter. But if you try to see here, what happened, we cannot see the other all property. Like for example, suppose I want to see the dew point temperature, even the humidity ratio, but it is here no. So, but we know that outside design data of any city, let's say I have taken Hyderabad, you can see, is in India. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. So in Hyderabad, if you check now, in summer, dB is 106 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and the wet bulb is 78 degree Fahrenheit. Relative humidity is 20%. Only three properties of air is given, but the remaining all other property like dew point temperature, humidity ratio, because see, this is very important in heat load calculation. When you are performing heat load calculation, so on that time we need other properties also. So don't worry, by using the psychometric we can do. See, first of all, I am just showing you how to find out the outside design data. Okay, so this is the dry bulb, wet bulb for Hyderabad, outside dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature. Okay, so for that, simply open the psychometric. But first of all, here you have to select the sea level, altitude value. So again, if you come for Hyderabad, see the altitude value is 545 meter, and in software we need to enter this value in feet. Okay, so 545 meter, so just convert it 545 into 3.28, it is near about 1787.6 feet. Okay, so open the software. Here see, if your sea level is less than 2500 feet, so you have to select the carrier number 1, and if it is 2500 feet or greater than that, so you have to select the 2, or otherwise if it is less than 5000, so you have to go for 2500, and if it is up to 5000 or more than that. Okay, so here in our case, if you see the Hyderabad sea level, we have checked 1787, so which is less than 2500. So from here I am just selecting carrier number 1. Correct. Now here you will get one option, state point and processes. Hit on that. First you have to hit on add point. Now write down the city name here. Suppose it is not compulsory, but if you have written, so it will help you, Hyderabad. Now here you can write any two properties of air which you know. So we know that outside design data from ASHRAE handbook, we have got for Hyderabad dry bulb temperature 106 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and here see, when you take the cursor, it is given we have to enter the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Correct. Now here you can just hit on this drop down list. Now what other property you know? We know the wet bulb also, even the relative humidity, so any you can enter. If you want to enter the wet bulb, you can enter, but humidity ratio we don't know, even the dew point temperature, enthalpy value. Okay, these are the things, these are the property which we do not know. So okay, but I know the wet bulb. Okay, wet bulb is 78, I have shown you. So when you enter this two property, can you see, now we get the humidity ratio value in grain per pound 100, and specific volume 14.582 cubic feet per pound. Even the enthalpy value, dew point temperature value, density, vapor pressure. Okay, everything you will get from here. After applying this, if you want to locate this point in psychometric chart, so hit on apply, and now close it from here. Now see, the chart is ready, and here you can see you will get 1 point. See, as you know that in the psychometric chart, this vertical line represent as a dry bulb temperature. So you can see here, this vertical line 25, 30, 7, 35 degree Fahrenheit, 40, these all vertical line represent as a dry bulb temperature, and the curved line represent as the relative humidity. Can you see? An inclined line represent as what? Yes. So here if you see na, we have a 106 degree Fahrenheit. So 106 will come little bit here. So see, point we are getting, and our wet bulb temperature, if you check, it is near about 78 na. See this horizontal line. So 78. 1 minute, we'll show you exact. Where is the wet bulb? Even see, here it is given, this is your pounds, means humidity ratio value. Okay, and this curved line, 90%, 80%, 70%, this is the relative humidity value. Okay, so don't be confused. Now wet bulb, as we enter 78, if you remember, so here we have to search where is actually 78. So if you see this one, 70, 75 degree Fahrenheit, 65, this is your wet bulb. So 78 is near about, you know that 80 or 75. 78 is near about here. Okay, so if you take this line, see both are intersecting here. 106 dry bulb temperature line vertically, and this inclined line is represent as a wet bulb temperature. So both are intersecting in this point. So based on that, you will get the humidity ratio value, even the relative humidity, everything from the chart also you can easily see that value. Okay, so in this way normally you can find out the outside design remaining properties of air. Now same way, if you come here, see, this is for the outside, but we know that inside the room, if you want to find out the properties of air inside the room, so we know that as per ASHRAE, the human comfort temperature is 76. Okay, so I have written 76 degree Fahrenheit. And the other property which we know is relative humidity. As per ASHRAE, the relative humidity should be, how much we have to maintain? 50%. As per this two property, if you know this two property, now you can get the wet bulb temperature inside the room, humidity ratio, specific volume, and remaining properties. Okay, just hit on apply and now close it. Now you will get the points here in the psychometric chart, because we have entered 76. So 76 will come here, this vertical line, and 50% relative humidity. So see na, this curved line 60%, 50%. So both are intersecting here. So based on that, here you will get the wet bulb temperature. When you draw this horizontal line, here you will get the humidity ratio value, okay, enthalpy value, everything. So in this way, we need to use the psychometric software. Hope all of you enjoyed this session. See you in next one.